In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your business to Waze using the Waze Map Editor. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to the official Waze Map Editor platform. Make sure you're using the correct official editor so your changes are made in the right place. Once you're logged in, give the map a moment to load fully. It's always a good idea to zoom into the area where your business is located so you can place everything accurately from the beginning. When you're ready, click the place icon from the structural layout toolbar. This tool is what allows you to create a business location directly on the map. If you're new to the editor, take your time here. The toolbar may look a little technical at first, but the place option is the one you'll use to mark a location, such as a store, office, or service point. Next, drop the point marker directly over the physical layout of your business building. Accuracy matters here because this helps drivers and customers find the correct destination when using Waze navigation. Try to place the marker as close to the actual building position as possible, rather than just the street or general area. If needed, zoom in further before placing it so the location is as precise as you can make it. After that, fill in your business details. Enter your business name clearly and exactly the way you want it to appear. Add your working hours so users can see when you're open, and choose the most relevant category for your business. This helps Waze understand what type of place it is and can improve how it appears to users. You'll also be asked to include contact information. Be sure to enter only business-appropriate contact details that you're comfortable making public and double-check everything for accuracy before moving on. Even small mistakes in the name, hours, or category can create confusion later. Once all the information is complete, click Save at the top right to submit the listing and push it live. This is the final step that sends your business information into the system. After saving, your listing may take a little time to appear or update, depending on the platform's review and refresh process. So don't worry if you don't see the change instantly. That's it. By following these steps carefully, you can make sure your business is properly added